Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all of you. In this video, we'll be showing you A-frame shelves which you can use for your home or office decor. A-frame shelves are a popular and versatile storage solutions that can be used in a variety of settings, from homes to offices to retail spaces. These shelves are named for their distinctive A-frame shape, which provides stability and support for the items being stored. They are typically made of wood, metal, or a combination of both, and come in a range of sizes and styles to suit different needs and preferences. In the ever-evolving world of home decor and organization, one storage solution has consistently captured the attention of design enthusiasts and practical-minded individuals alike: the A-frame shelf. With its distinctive triangular silhouette and adaptable versatility, the A-frame shelf has become a staple in modern interior design, offering a unique blend of form and function. Originating from the architectural concept of the A-frame building, these shelves take inspiration from the strong, self-supporting structure of the A-frame design. By leveraging this inherent stability, A-frame shelves have emerged as a practical and visually appealing storage option for a wide range of spaces, from cozy apartments to spacious homes. Are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell so that you get notified when we release new videos. The anatomy of an A-frame shelf. At the core of an A-frame shelf is its defining triangular shape, created by two slanted side panels that converge at the top to form a point. This simple yet striking geometry not only lends the shelf its iconic look but also imbues it with exceptional structural integrity. Unlike traditional shelving units that rely on vertical supports, the A-frame design is self-supporting, allowing it to stand upright without the need for additional wall mounting or floor-standing hardware. One of the key benefits of A-frame shelves is their space-saving design. Because they are wider at the base and narrower at the top, they can fit into corners or other tight spaces that might not be suitable for traditional shelving units. This makes them an ideal choice for small rooms or areas with limited floor space, where maximizing storage capacity is essential. Another advantage of A-frame shelves is their visual appeal. The unique shape of these shelves can add a touch of modern or rustic charm to any room, depending on the material and finish. Wood A-frame shelves, for example, can bring warmth and natural beauty to a space, while metal shelves can create a sleek and industrial look. This versatility makes them a popular choice for interior decorators and homeowners looking to enhance the aesthetic appeal of their living or working spaces. In addition to their space-saving and decorative qualities, A-frame shelves are also highly functional. Their open design allows for easy access to stored items, making them ideal for displaying books, decorative objects, plants, and other items that need to be easily visible and accessible. This makes them a great option for organizing and showcasing collections, as well as for creating attractive displays in retail settings. When it comes to choosing A-frame shelves, there are several factors to consider. The first is the material. Wood A-frame shelves are a classic choice that can add warmth and character to a room, while metal shelves offer a more contemporary and industrial look. The choice of material will depend on the overall style and decor of the space where the shelves will be placed. Another consideration is size. A-frame shelves come in various heights and widths, so it's important to measure the available space and consider the items that will be stored on the shelves before making a decision. It's also important to think about the weight capacity of the shelves, especially if they will be used to store heavy items such as books or electronic equipment. The style of the A-frame shelves is another important consideration. Some shelves have a minimalist design with clean lines and simple finishes, while others feature decorative details such as scrollwork or carved accents. The choice of style will depend on personal preference as well as the overall design scheme of the room. In terms of installation, A-frame shelves are generally easy to assemble and can be placed in any room without the need for complicated mounting hardware. This makes them a convenient and versatile storage solution for both homeowners and businesses. Customizable aesthetics. A-frame shelves offer a wide range of customization options, allowing homeowners to choose a style that complements their existing decor. From rustic, natural-toned wood to sleek, modern metal finishes, the variety of available materials and finishes ensures that there is an A-frame shelf to suit any design aesthetic. Additionally, the open concept nature of these shelves allows for creative styling, with the ability to display a range of items, from books and plants to personal mementos and artwork. Unlike traditional shelving units that are typically confined to walls, A-frame shelves can be placed in a variety of locations throughout a space. They can be positioned as freestanding units in the middle of a room, nestled in cozy corners, or even integrated into built-in cabinetry or entertainment centers. This flexibility allows homeowners to experiment with different layouts and configurations, ensuring the A-frame shelf seamlessly fits into their desired space. In living rooms and entertainment areas, A-frame shelves can be used to create dynamic, visually appealing storage and display zones. Homeowners can showcase their favorite books, plants, artwork, or decorative accents, transforming the shelves into focal points that seamlessly integrate with the overall design of the space. A-frame shelves can also find their place in the bedroom, serving as stylish storage solutions for items such as folded linens, plants, or even a small collection of books and trinkets. In dressing areas or walk-in closets, they can be used to organize and display clothing, accessories, and other personal items. The versatility of A-frame shelves extends to entryways and mudrooms, where they can be used to create functional storage and organizational solutions. Homeowners can utilize the shelves to neatly store shoes, bags, keys, and other everyday items, helping to keep these high-traffic areas clutter-free and visually appealing. Design considerations. Size and scale. When selecting an A-frame shelf, it's important to consider the size of the space and the scale of the unit, ensuring it fits harmoniously within the room. Material and finish. The choice of materials, such as wood, metal, or a combination, and the desired finish, e.g., natural, painted, or powder-coated, will significantly impact the overall aesthetic. Shelf configuration. Determining the number of shelves, their depth, and any tiered or stepped arrangements can affect the functionality and visual appeal of the A-frame shelf. Load-bearing capacity. Evaluating the weight-bearing capabilities of the A-frame design is essential, especially when storing heavier items like books or collectibles. Placement and stability. Ensuring the A-frame shelf is securely positioned, either freestanding or wall-mounted, is crucial for its stability and safety. In conclusion, A-frame shelves are a practical, stylish, and versatile storage solution that can be used in a variety of settings. Their space-saving design, visual appeal, and functional qualities make them a popular choice for organizing and displaying items in homes, offices, and retail spaces. Whether you're looking for a way to maximize storage capacity in a small room or create an attractive display in a larger space, A-frame shelves offer a solution that is both practical and visually appealing. With their wide range of sizes, styles, and materials, there is sure to be an A-frame shelf that fits your needs and complements your decor. Well, that wraps up our video on the A-frame shelf. We hope you found these A-frame shelf ideas inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it to friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and see you in the next video.